Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. I got a quick video. I want to show you this car real quick. I always wanted to look at it or see it, sit in it, any one of the other one, but it's an interesting car. It's a really nice little car. Weird color. So it's a Hyundai Elantra N. I think it's 23 or 24. Don't quote me, but one of those. Let me show it to you guys real quick. So here it is, guys. So 2023 Hyundai Elantra N. So we don't get the I forgot the other model. We don't get the other one in the USA. We get this model instead. So it's a weird color, upgraded brake to the N package. As you can see, it's started at 32.9. Here it is. I like the brake.
Maverick, by the way.
Jordan.
Yeah, you're John's friend, right?
Yeah.
I'll show you the rear a little bit. It has a really big exhaust tip. I gotta show you guys this. It's actually impressive for front wheel drive. It's the N line. Look at the tail lights are pretty cool. Let's check out the back. There you go. Okay guys, we are in the Hyundai Elantra N. It's pretty roomy. I like to see it. It's kind of like a semi-cloth slash half whole leather. I'm not sure if it's real leather, but it's pretty roomy. Show you the door panel. This is hard plastic. This is soft, hard plastic. Got a speaker here. You got kind of like a bucket seat with pass-through for seat belt if you need to. And here's what the front looks like. So there's no USB or anything power in the back here. Hard plastic right there. And you got a normal size sunroof over here. Okay guys, so just want to show you the pocket here. It's pretty cheap plastic it look like, but it also does have the Bose system. Okay guys, I like the bolstering. See right here, a really big bolstering. That's really comfy. I'm surprised. It has a big screen over here, and you have another screen over here. And to change the mode, you can just hit the N-line button. NGO. You have the paddle shift right up here. Love the ambient light thing. So here it is. This one is automatic. I'm sure this look a little flimsy, but overall it looks pretty good guys. The interior, you got 2 USB in the bottom here, 12 volt over here. Those are USB-A. And camera, I'm assuming for the front camera. And you got a little glove box over here, normal size. The bottom here is padded. So there you go guys, quick little video at the Hyundai Elantra N 2023.